Now moving on to a fun science experiment. This activity is called How to Make a Volcano. We're going to be following the steps and causing an eruption. Laid out in front of me, everyone, I've got everything we need for our science experiment on how to make a volcano. Here we have 10 ml of dish soap, we have 100 ml of cold water, 400 ml of white vinegar, we've got some food colouring, and we mixed some baking soda with water. We will now be combining the vinegar, water, dish soap, and 2 drops of food colouring into the bottle to make our eruption. I'm now adding the vinegar into the bottle. Excellent. I will now be adding some cold water. Now for the 10 ml of dishwashing soap. We'll be adding 2 drops of food colouring. We'll now pour in the baking soda. Step back, guys, be careful for the eruption. Woo! Wow, look at that! That's it for our science experiment. I hope you guys had fun.